In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a read more button to your email using Mailchimp. This is an effective way to keep your emails concise while directing your subscribers to additional content. It's a simple yet powerful tool to enhance your email's impact without overwhelming the reader with too much information up front. To start, you'll want to head over to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. If you haven't been there recently, you might notice some changes in the layout, but don't worry, the functionality remains quite intuitive. Once you're logged in, navigate to the campaigns section and select all campaigns. This section displays all of your active, draft, and even past email campaigns, giving you a comprehensive overview of your past and present works. Next, choose the specific email campaign you want to modify. It might be one you've been working on, or maybe a past campaign you want to revamp with this new feature. Once you open your chosen campaign, you'll find yourself in what's called the email editor. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you aren't already accustomed. Now here's where the magic happens. Within the email editor, locate the option to add a button block. Most templates will have this readily available for you. Simply drag this block into your email layout, find a spot where you believe the read more button will be most effective. This positioning could be right after a summary of an article or toward the end of a section of interest. With the button in place, you'll want to edit the button text itself. While read more is a classic call to action, feel free to personalize this text to better suit your brand or the specific context of the email. Something like discover more or explore further could also work wonderfully. The next step is crucial, directing your readers to the right place. Within the button settings, paste the URL of the web page or resource you wish to guide your audience toward. Make sure this link is correct and active, as any errors here could lead to a frustrating experience for your readers, and that's something we definitely want to avoid. Lastly, customize the button's style. Adjust the color, font, and alignment to match your email's overall design aesthetic. Consistency is key here. You want the button to be eye-catching but not jarring or out of place. A well-integrated button will guide the reader's eye naturally and encourage interaction. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted read more button that enhances your email's functionality and appeal. This small addition can make a significant impact on how your audience engages with your content, providing them with a seamless transition to explore more of what you have to offer. Keep experimenting with placement and design to find what best resonates with your audience's preferences.